Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're here at Combi Life and we've got a long-standing customers come in today, Mark. Mark's brought his Volkswagen long wheelbase 4Motion transporter here, and he's going to tell us a little bit about the K-technik setup which he's got in his van. So Mark, tell us about your setup.
Yeah, basically we got this for a few different items. So obviously I'm a plumber. I use a lot of welded HDPE equipment, and I wanted the inverter system predominantly for that. I use this welder on a daily basis, and it does it fine. I'm welding up to sort of, 130 mil HDPE pipe. The inverter has never missed a beat. I've never had to recharge anything. The car charges everything fine. As you can see, I've got my June freezer in there that runs full time. It never gets turned off. I don't have any solar. It just charges back from the car. And then on the weekends we're away fishing, and I charge the boat with it when we pull up the caravan park.
You're kidding?
Yeah.
So
I'm charging 200 amp hour 36 volt lithium battery and a 200 amp hour 12 volt lithium battery in the boat. With this system.
Wow, so that's just amazing. So you've got the 160 amp hour original K-technik power station, you've got the 2500 watt inverter. Now, when did you actually get this installed, Mark?
I think it was 23 somewhere there. We bought the kit. It was yeah somewhere there, mate. I'm not certain.
Yeah, so
it's all molded into
the
years.
That's so cool. So 2023, you've been running the setup for 2 years. You've been using it daily for your trade, rise above plumbing, you're welding with it, you're charging all sorts of 36 volt tools, and it's been completely flawless. Tell us about the setup in the back of your van here, Mark.
So it's the Van Essa kit, but I've obviously been using this for work. So the camper comes out, the tools go in.
Yep.
And yeah, mate, the bed folds forward, the rear seats lay down. I couldn't be happier with it. It's been an absolute blessing. It's my day-to-day driver, and
yep. So it's your day-to-day trade car, plus you also take it out on weekends fishing,
camping. Yeah, Tow's a 20-foot bass boat at the moment.
Yep.
My previous boat was about 2.2 ton.
Yep.
It was bigger than a bass boat.
Yeah, wow.
Towed it like it wasn't even there.
Yeah, okay.
I firmly believe this car could tow 3 ton without blinking.
Yeah, cool.
I firmly believe that. We, obviously being a plumbing company, we do tank repairs, sewer tank repairs, replacement, and I've got a trailer where I've got two 1,000 litre IBCs.
Yes.
If I have to pump a tank out, they're about 2,000 litres.
Yes.
Car tows it like a dream.
Yeah, fantastic.
Drama.
Well, thank you, Mark.
No worries.
Thanks for coming in today.
Cheers.
Thanks for showing us off your vehicle, and thanks for telling us how you've experienced the K-technik products.
Yeah, no worries. Cheers, guys.
Thank you. Hey, so there you go, folks. If you like the video, give us a like, give us a share, throw us a comment down below. We truly appreciate all those comments. Until next time, have a good evening.